foodies, it's time now. We have our lamb shanks over here. Look how pretty they are. All beautifully cooked and falling off the bone. Look at this here. And what I'm going to do is I am going to cut some pieces off and make a plate for Anthony with our lamb shanks. And here we go. I'm just cutting some nice pieces of meat. So I have here for him to go on his plate. Okay, so there we have that. We'll hold that. And then let's make a plate for Anthony. Okay, I've got some pearl couscous here, Israeli pearl couscous. We're going to put some on the bottom of the plate, just like this. Some beautiful veggies today. I have some beautiful veggies right here. Right here. Look at this. All different kinds of beautiful veggies right there. And then we're going to set our beautiful lamb meat right here on top. Just like this. Just like this. There we go. And I've made some beautiful lamb gravy, which I rendered the fat out just like that, right across the top. And there we have a beautiful lamb meal, lamb shanks. You could eat them right off the bone. I take the meat off and I make it look a little pretty. So there we have it. Give it a try.
Oh, look at that sauce. It's even beautiful color because of the wine, huh?
Give it a try. This is Peter Carpizos, as always, wishing you the best. Out.